How to set nickname on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set nickname on Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Messenger app, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Messenger. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Messenger is up to date. In the App Store, if you see an open option right here, that means that your Messenger is currently up to date and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update button, just tap on that so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to set nicknames on particular friends you have on Facebook or Messenger. Once you have made sure that your Messenger is up to date, just go ahead and open it. And so you can set nicknames on a conversation with just one friend over here. So just tap on that conversation with that friend, tap on their name above at the top part of the screen, click on nicknames over here under the customization tab, and just click on your friend's name to change their nickname on that particular chat. So that particular friend will only see this in this conversation. So that nickname will only be assigned to that person in this particular conversation. So for example, that will be the space where you're going to type the nickname. Just click on save over here, and that will set the nickname to that particular friend. You can also set your nickname as well. So just tap on your name and click on save. Just go back, and you can also do this to group chat. So just do the same thing, click on the group name, click on nicknames again, and just tap on the friend's name and change their nickname. So that is how you can basically set nickname on Messenger. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.